We are at 7345 Meadowbrook Drive in North Richland Hills. Right now we are in the main and lateral lines of the house. What you see in front of you is the connection point to the PVC, which leads to the city. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling back. Again, this is going to be the main and lateral line of the house. Here we have our cleanouts. Had an inlet there on the left. There's a shower line coming in on the right here. This is our secondary toilet line coming in. Another inlet here on the left. We have our master bath coming in on the right. Here we have our vent stack. The reason you do not see this with the epoxy coating on it, it did not work from the vent stack. It's primarily PVC. Here's the sink tie-in.